Right, this is my third attempt to try and make a video with my telephone to how you make a split arbor for myford Super 7 lathe or ml7 or ml10 maybe. Okay, and different sizes, different shapes. The bar here is about 1 inch. Okay, this part and this part is 5/8, a bit less than 5/8. This one is 5/8. The length here is 3/4 of an inch. Here, 3/4 of an inch. You can make this recess about 1/16 of an inch or a bit less, maybe half a mil, 20 thous. Okay, and here the length 3/4 of an inch, and the diameter is 5/8, as I said, maybe. And the bore here is about 7 millimeters. Depends on what sort of drawbar you're going to use. Either 1/4 of an inch with 26 TPIs normally, or 6 millimeter M6. Okay, and here the taper here, it's 7 degrees or 7.5. Okay, and the split here depends on what sort of saws you have. 1 millimeter or anything actually, 0.5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 3/4, or 2 mil. Some people make only 2 slots, one on this side and one on this side. Sorry, I have to do everything with one hand. But normally I make it, 4 slots. It's a nice exercise. The length here could be 2 inches or 2.5 inches. That's 3/4, that's 2 inches. Maybe, as I said, the diameter could be, for the bar, could be 22 mil, 3/4 of an inch, 7/8, or 25 millimeters or 1 inch, like this one. Yeah, and this is the information. If you like to ask for any question, okay, please ask. Signal YouTube channel, WhatsApp, and these are the dimensions. Okay, put that on a piece of paper. Okay, get this away. Okay, I'm going to take it a bit further from a piece of paper, so somebody might stop the frame and take a photo. This could be a reference. Okay, and especially these days, a lot of people sitting at home, maybe doing nothing, but this is a good exercise to use your lathe. Okay, thank you.